In this video, I'm going to show you how to create columns in Microsoft Word so you can quickly format your documents the way many journals, newspapers, or conference papers require. Imagine you have a research paper that needs 2 columns instead of the usual single column. All you have to do is open your Word file and look toward the top of your screen. You'll see the ribbon, which has tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Click on the Layout tab and then look for the Columns button, which usually appears near the left side of the ribbon. When you click on Columns, you'll see a drop-down menu with different options. By default, your document is set to 1 column, which is the standard single-column view. If you pick 2, your text instantly splits into 2 columns. If you need 3, just select 3 from that same menu, and Word will automatically reformat your document to show 3 columns. You'll notice options like left and right as well. These settings will make the text appear wider on one side and narrower on the other, which can be useful if you want to highlight a sidebar or have uneven column spacing. If you want more control over how your columns look, click on More Columns at the bottom of that drop-down menu. Here you can enter the exact number of columns you'd like, maybe 4 or 5 if your layout demands it, and you can also decide if you want a line in between each column. If you do, just check the box that says Line Between, and you'll see a preview of what that looks like. You can also adjust the width of each column and the spacing between them to make everything fit perfectly. There's a box labeled Equal Column Width that you can check or uncheck, depending on whether you want each column to be exactly the same size or if you prefer to customize them individually. Another handy way to tweak your column sizes is by using the ruler, which you can show or hide by going to the View tab and checking the ruler box. Once the ruler is visible, you can drag the boundary markers to adjust the spacing between columns and how wide each one should be. This is a quick way to fine-tune your layout without having to open the More Columns dialog over and over again. Feel free to download the exact Word file I'm using by clicking the link in the description below, so you can follow along and practice with the same document. Once you're happy with your columns, you can add text, images, or anything else you need, and Word will continue to flow the text through each column in the order you specified. It's a super convenient feature for any project that calls for multi-column formatting, and it doesn't take more than a few clicks to set up. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Word tutorials just like this one, because I'll be sharing plenty of tips and tricks to help you become more confident with your documents. And now, YouTube thinks this next video will make you a Microsoft Office wizard. Watch it, or stay stuck in document limbo forever. No pressure. See you there.